Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. I will be showing you a dupe for the insert name here ponytails. So if you're not interested in ponytails, you can click out of this video, watch another video. I have a bunch of curly hairstyle videos, just, you know, sift through. But if you do like wearing fake ponytails and basically elevating your bun to a completely different look, then just keep watching because you're just not going to regret it. You just keep watching. Okay, so most of you may already know that I own two insert name here ponytails. One being my first one ever that I got in 2019. It's this one. This is the Maya, I think it is. It's a straight hair ponytail. It's like 26 inches. It is a synthetic hair. But the cool thing about insert name here's ponytails, please don't judge the state of my ponytail. It's been through a lot. But pretty much it's, oh my gosh, it's a mess. It comes like this. So it has like a little hair comb right here. And it has a Velcro strip. And then like an extra strip of hair. So essentially, if you have like straight hair and you have a ponytail, you just kind of clip the comb in, wrap this around your ponytail, and then this extra strip of hair hides the Velcro strip. The way I use it though, because I don't want to straighten my hair, I just kind of tie my hair up in a bun and do it over my bun, and it works just as fine. Yeah, and honestly, I feel like it's definitely a look when you don't want to just go out in a simple bun, but you still don't really want to do your hair. I opt for these a lot of times if it's too humid or if it's raining, or sometimes if I just really want a ponytail. Sometimes, you know those outfits that just really require like a ponytail? Do you know what I mean? Let me know down in the comments if I'm just crazy. But yeah, so I own two of these. So this one was my first, and then they created this curly ponytail. So this one has like really big spirally curls, and I love it. After I posted that YouTube video where I was demonstrating how I use the Zoe ponytail, if you don't know what video I'm talking about, I'm gonna link it down below so you can watch it after you watch this video. So this company reached out to me and told me that they provide same if not better quality hair at a fraction of the price, and I was like, please do tell. So they were kind enough to send me not one but two ponytails so I can demonstrate for you guys how they are comparable to the insert name here ponytails. So drum roll please. All right, so this ponytail I have already used, so it is a little bit frizzy because it's been really humid, but I am planning on bringing it back to its original state. But this is the ponytail. This is the one that's supposed to be comparable to the Zoe. Now, I do want to point out that it's not the same as the Zoe ponytail. However, this is more comparable to the Shayla. That is a wavy-haired pony on insert name here. And I feel like it honestly matches exactly like it. The only thing that I feel like is different than the insert name here ponytails is the fact that it's just super like silky smooth. Now I haven't opened my straight haired pony yet, so I'm gonna open it here on camera with you guys. So this is what the package looks like. It contains a little card right here with a little test strip so you can see what ponytail you have, so that, or the hair type that it is. So this is the straight one. The wavy haired one also came with one as well. But yeah, I kind of like that it comes with a little test strip. Insert name here now does come with one. My Zoe ponytail came with a little test strip, but the straight haired one did not. So and it also comes with the little silk pouch. I only got one for the two ponies, which is fine because they both come in a little hairnet. So I'm just gonna put them both in this one pouch. And then it comes packaged like this. So it does come in a hairnet. And then it comes with this cute little card that says Alter Hair, and it has like some cute little hair tips. Okay, so it comes like this, and it comes with 2 little bobby pins, which is the same thing that comes with my insert name here as well. I'm feeling it, and honestly, I personally don't feel like it's as buttery smooth as the wavy haired one, which is a little disappointing because I really liked how just silky it was. It's still soft, don't get me wrong, but it's not as soft as the other one. But I feel like this is definitely a lot more comparable to the straight haired one. I would say that the color is very comparable. If anything, my insert name here one is a little bit darker than the Alter Hair one, but it's honestly so minuscule that you can't really tell. But the hair length is exactly the same. Like, honestly, everything is just exactly the same, except mine is a little bit beat up. Okay, I'm gonna try this on because it looks so good. Alright, so like I did in my previous video, I take the comb and I just dig it right on top of my bun, so it's clipped on. And then I just wrap it around. It's so much easier when the ponytail is new than when it's all beat up, because when it's beat up, it's like obviously just tangled up and it's almost a hot mess. But now I'm going to take the bobby pins and I'm just going to start clipping them in under my bun so it stays hidden. If you have a slightly bigger bun, or like if you have more hair than I do, I highly suggest to make a lower bun. So whenever my hair, because right now my hair is like really wet and I tied it in a bun so I can do the video, but like if my bun is ever a little bit more frizzy, or if I did a bun after having my hair out and curly, I usually just tie my hair a little bit lower and then do the ponytail a little lower. That way it's a lot easier to conceal the bun, because your hair is a lot lower, so it's just gonna hide under your neck. But yeah, ponytails are just such a lifesaver whenever you want to look a little bit more presentable, a little bit more dressed up, and you don't want to do your typical bun. So definitely check out Alter Hair. I'd rather pay $27 for a ponytail rather than $54, I think is what insert name here charges. So definitely check them out because honestly, they're exactly the same. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it, guys. Tune in next week where I will be posting a haul of some sort. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.